In the fast-paced world of work, ensuring the safety and resilience of your workforce is essential. So today we're going to explore how first aid training plays a pivotal role in achieving this goal. First aid just isn't about injuries, it's about creating a safer and more resilient workforce. Let's delve into how this training can be a game changer for your organization. Here are the key points to consider. Immediate response to workplace injuries and illnesses, minimize severity and complications through prompt care, enhanced safety culture and disaster preparedness, boosted employee morale and confidence, a workforce that's better equipped to face challenges. First aid for a safer and more resilient workforce is not just a requirement, it's a commitment to the well-being and strength of your team. It's about knowing that your workforce can respond effectively even in the face of adversity. First aid for a safer, more resilient workforce is not just a goal, it's a commitment to a safer and a more resilient future. Because in your workplace, safety and resilience go hand in hand.